Fenugreek seed is also a useful natural treatment for whooping cough you can make use at home, and in fact, this type of seeds is very easy to find and buy in any food store in your locality. Things required: honey, fenugreek seeds. Directions: use these seeds to prepare a decoction as a remedy. Boil fenugreek seeds in water. Cook the solution till the quantity is reduced by half. After straining the solution, add a little amount of ginger juice in it and then consume it. Add some honey if you like a sweet taste. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.